So today it's the story of Chilika, spread across 1,000 kilometers lake on the east coast of India, about 40 kilometers from Puri, the place of Lord Jagannath. Because of its connections with the Bay of Bengal, Chilika is also a lagoon. And like all coastal lagoons, waters are rich and livelihood. Today we are heading towards a small island centered with Chilika Lake, which is also on the other side. You will be able to see the Bay of Bengal. So let's go and explore how does the island looks like today.
तो राजंस जा रहे हैं पूरे फैमिली के साथ जा रहे हैं सापड़ा इज समोट अराउंड 50 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम पुरी एंड आफ्टर रीचिंग इन सापड़ा वी आर स्टार्टिंग टू राजहंस चिल्का के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा तो देखते हैं कितना टाइम लगता है एंड आई कीप यू अपडेटेड व्हाटएवर वी डू लेट्स गो फॉर इट
डॉल्फिन तो कैप्चर नहीं हो पाया कैमरा में बट वी कुड सी फ्यू ऑफ देम नाउ आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू शो इट राइट नाउ बट देन वी हैव सीन फ्यू ऑफ देम व्हाइल बोटिंग इन द चिल्का लेक तो अभी पहुंच गए हैं यहाँ पे तो ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से यहाँ पे मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं है आई थिंक एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी रिस्टोर्ड and the other reason why you don't see much of people here is because of the lockdown you don't see any tourist at all in this place so इक्का दुक्का जो भी है mostly the locals.
क्या देखा इधर?
कुछ नहीं, बस चल रहे हैं. We are going towards beach, so we'll be there. We'll talk to you right now. Bye.
There is also a guest house by Odisha Tourism. So I think coming in the right time, you would be able to avail all the facilities of the guest house. But right now, I think it is closed. So if you're interested, probably you can contact Odisha Tourism for the details. तो भाई बहुत मेहनत के बाद अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं बीच के पास. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा रेस्ट करेंगे एंड थोड़ा enjoy करेंगे. We will probably roam around a bit and spend some time. Then again, it's a reverse story. So we'll have to go back to the through the Chilka Lake and stop by Satpada Duck. एंड वहाँ से फिर गाड़ी लेके वापस आना है. यहाँ पे लोकल से बात हुआ एंड वी जस्ट गॉट टू नो दैट ये जो चीज़ें देख रहे हैं आप, दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ शिप विच वाज क्रैश्ड ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन and all this cutting work is going on. So workers are trying to clear up the mess. So this is all about that. So this is a complete ship. Looks like it was probably a container ship, maybe a cargo ship or something like that. So the work is in progress to clear up the mess. So, I mean, before we started, I have heard a lot of things about this place, but to be very honest, I could not explore a lot in this particular island. Maybe, most probably, the reason could be because of the lockdown. Nobody. From the tourist side, nobody is coming to this island at this point of time. एंड अदर देन दैट, इससे पहले एक साइक्लोन भी हुआ था जिसकी वजह से यू कैन सी ऑल ओवर द ट्रीज एंड ऑल दिस आर स्प्रेड अक्रॉस. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस हुआ था यहाँ पे. एंड मे बी द टाइमिंग वॉज नॉट राइट, आई वुड से, but definitely I would like to explore this place once again, just to get most out of it. And the major part which I have enjoyed was the boating part. So we have started from Satpada somewhat around 12:30, and it took about an hour or 1.5 hour, and that was the most precious time. We had the lunch on the boat. Then